On a series of blood type personalities, we've treated blood type O. In today's video, we're going to look at the remaining blood types. The essence of this is for you to understand and know how to optimize your natural potentials. This video will also enlighten you on how to relate with people. At times you wonder why people can't see things that is glaring from your own eyes. That's why you have to ride to the end with me. Starting with blood type A. This blood type are naturally not from Africa. They are from Europe and Asia. So it means that they dominate more in Europe and Asia. By virtue of their unique personalities, these blood type are creative. They are very clever. Something unique about them is that they are peace-loving. Blood type A don't like entering into fights. So they can bottle up so much in relationship so that there will be no problem, there will be no chaos in that relationship. But the thing is that when it gets to the level they've bottled so much, their outburst can be second to none. This blood type can make a very good friend because they are trustworthy. They are easygoing people. It's a blood type that like neatness and they like putting things the way they are meant to be. If you enter a house of blood type A individual, things have the way they are being kept. At times, I refer this blood type as melancholic temperament. They are meticulous in nature. This blood type are very patient and they are emotional. Blood type are very sensitive, which make them to be at times to be suspicious. And that kind of suspicion can make them withdraw because they don't like anything that will make them to lose their peace. Blood type A individuals have leadership potentials, but they cannot work or lead in an organization that is not organized because they cannot withstand pressure. This blood type cannot multitask. They cannot do so many things at the same time. This blood type are good at keeping and maintaining set rules. Hence, they can take orders. One of the weaknesses of this blood type is that they can be stubborn and at times they are uptight, meaning they can be worrisome, anxious, or apprehensive. In terms of career, blood type A individuals are good economists. They make good accountants. They are good graphic designers and they can be good librarians. Remember, they like putting things in right places. The next blood type is blood type B. Just like blood type A, blood type B are highly creative. They can think out of the box. Blood type B are quick decision makers. They are very independent. Hence, they cannot fit well in corporate world, just like blood type A. You can see them as independent business owners. They can be musicians, dancers, or artists. This blood type cannot take orders. They don't like to be ordered around. They don't like following set rules. At times, they are being termed as rebels at heart. This blood type work with every aspect of their lives to be the best in what they do. They just want to stand out in whatever they do. Blood type B individuals, just like blood type A, cannot multitask. They are sociable or outgoing, just like blood type O, so they are extroverts. Blood type B individuals are always empathetic, meaning that they're always feeling in the pains of others. They like sharing in the pains of others. This blood type are always laid back, meaning that they are not always in a hurry to get to any destination. They like taking their time. They like following their own pace. This blood type make good and reliable friends. Blood type B individuals are selfish and at times they are not cooperative. The last blood type is blood type AB. From previous videos, we've known that this blood type are always combo of A and B. In terms of personality, their personalities are combo of A and B. At times, they can behave as A in being shy. At times, they can behave like B in being outgoing. They have dual, complicated personalities. So, blood type AB, you can really predict them. You cannot decode the next action they will take. At times, they have problem of taking decision. They can adapt to optimize situations. This blood type are strong-willed and they can be forgetful. From this series, you understand that by virtue of your blood type, you see things from different angles. So you don't expect everybody to behave the way you do. When you understand people and their blood type, you know how to relate with them. And you also understand where they're coming from or why they're acting the way they're acting. This knowledge will help us to understand and live well with everyone. Don't just watch this video alone. Share with friends and families so that together we can make this world a peaceful place for everyone to live. Till I see you in the next video, optimize your natural potentials to be the person you were created to be.